Let's talk about OSDCloud. I'm David Segura, a software engineer at Recast, PowerShell MVP, and community enthusiast, and I want to tell you all about it. OSDCloud is used today to deploy Windows 11 and prepare it for autopilot. Recast and OSDCloud are continuing to develop and release new features for the community. The first half of 26, we're introducing new methods to get to OSDCloud, which include new tools for the IT admin, for the desktop tech, the sysadmin, to build boot images that are customized, whether they want to use OSDCloud, OSDCloud V1 or MDT, and integrate those together in one unified experience. This boot image will help them transition between versions, and it's incredibly scalable and easy to use. In the second half of 26, we're looking to increase the footprint of OSDCloud and integrate it with other Recast solutions such as our right-click tools and application workspace. If you're using MDT today, Recast and OSDCloud have solutions to help you get off. Get in touch with Recast or me, and we'll help you see that through. Another feature of OSDCloud today is a customized WinPE startup experience, which will allow you to put your additional drivers that may not be embedded in your boot image onto a USB drive and to load them in runtime. And what this will allow you to do is not have to rebuild these boot images as frequently. You'll also be able to modify startup scripts and update components in your boot image without having to rebuild. As part of OS Deploy Hydra, we've also introduced a core unifying experience for your WinPE drivers and additional content for your boot image that link directly with MDT. So if you are still using MDT, you'll be able to take these same drivers that you are using to build an OSDCloud boot image today, minimizing any of the admin tasks you need to do with gathering and updating these resources. Additionally, we manage the WinPE drivers for you, ensuring you have the latest drivers you need for your network and disk to make sure everything works. Finally, one additional feature in OSDCloud that we have is we take the drivers from the boot image during your Windows 11 deployment and put them back into your operating system so that when you boot into out-of-box experience, you're never left without drivers for your network or your disk. And finally, those drivers are also embedded into your Windows recovery environment out of the box. So if you do have an issue where you have to go into WinRE for BitLocker, everything will just work. Thank you for spending some time with me on OSDCloud. And finally, I'll address the big question: what will happen with the community and OSDCloud? Recast is committed to keeping OSDCloud a community tool just like the Right-Click Tools Community Edition, free for the community to use and grow with.